What is this? The entire cake is spoiled. Did you eat from it?
No, madam, I didn't eat it. I got the order from the cycle, so I think it's little spoiled.
So what should I do? Will we cut such kind of cake now?
Please, madam, please manage a little.
The same cake that I ordered, I want that cake only. Hey, I want to click pictures with this cake. Now will I click pictures with this cake? This spoiled cake?
Madam, if I get another cake, I'll have to pay for it. The company won't give me another cake.
I don't know about all that. I want another fresh cake. That's it. Understood?
Madam, I'm requesting you. I don't earn equal of this cake in 3 days.
Don't you understand what am I saying? I need a fresh cake, not this one. Take it with you and go and get another cake.
Who was it?
Delivery boy was there. He brought the cake.
Where is the cake?
The entire cake was spoiled.
It was spoiled? How?
I don't know. Maybe he was not able to keep it well, and while coming here, it got spoiled.
Then?
Now what? He went to take another cake.
Did you ask him to get another cake or did he go to get another cake himself?
I told him, why we will take spoiled cake? We'll take a fresh cake now.
Man, you are too much, Swara. Wait a minute.
Now where are you going?
Let me see if he has gone or not. Hello, brother. Yes, sir. Give me the cake. Sir, but madam refused it. She said she wants another cake. Never mind, give it to me. Nobody is coming. We both have to cut the cake. It's the anniversary of 3 months. We don't have to post anything. We will cut it. So, not an issue. Thank you, sir. Is the payment done? Yes, sir. It's done. Sir, thank you so much. If you were not here, I would have to pay for it. Thank you. I understand. That's why I came to take it. Okay, bye.
What is all this?
Come inside. I'll tell you.
Now will you explain why you took this spoiled cake from him?
Because I can understand his feelings and his pain.
How?
Didn't I tell you? I used to work as a part-time delivery boy along with the college. So, if I made a mistake or the order got spoiled, I had to pay for it. And whenever something like this happened, I used to be in a bad mood for 4-5 days. And I used to lose 2-3 days earnings in that. If I told a boss, no one would understand. That it's okay, he had made a mistake, just forgive him. No, we had to pay for it. And anyway, we have to cut the cake in the end, belated. What do we have to do with the design and all?
You are saying absolutely right. And by the way, our happiness is not in its design. It's in this moment.
You are right. Okay, do you want to cut the cake right now or at night?
Let's cut at night.
Okay, keep this in fridge.